Good morning, everybody. This is Connie with the Artisan Company. Hey, all you guys, I just want to let you know, starting June 1st, the schedule's going to change. So I have injured my knee. Yeah, and I got to have surgery on it. So it's going to take 8 weeks or so for it to even heal. And I've got a lot of other things going on, and my husband's got some film debuts going on for the summer, and it's just getting to be a little bit cray over here on my side. So what I decided to do is I'm going to start posting one video every other week starting the first week of June. So next month you will be getting videos every other week instead of every week. So when you're tuning in on a Sunday and you're looking for the video and it's not there, remember it's going to be on a 2-week schedule for the summer and maybe early into the fall. But anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that so you kind of know what's happening in my world over here. Anyway, love you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.